I don't want. I hate Gladys.
Why?
Gladys sucks. She hit me in the eye. What's up, Gladys? You suck. You're fat. You're old and fat.
She's not old.
She's
Oh,
old.
then
She's
you
like
just sent
4.
me a picture message.
I did. Oh, wow.
Who's that?
How's it?
Yeah. You should take Gladys away. She's too busy sucking.
Who?
Gladys.
She's the best.
No, she sucks.
She sucks.
You know how heavy she is? I can.
My
I
favorite.
had,
I enjoy it so much when you get drunk and just fuck with her.
Who, me?
Yeah.
oh, you make her mad.
She makes me just as angry as I make her.
Just by being fat.
Both of us hate each
Oh,
other.
hey, baby. Hey, baby. You're a sweet baby. You are a sweet baby. She's a lady, right?
She is magnificent.
She's so old. She's like,
Can I see your teeth?
how old is she? 97? 97? I don't think she...
Okay, I want to look at your teeth.
Can I see your teeth?
She's
Well, that's
What
what
do
you
you
can
mean?
tell. You can
she's
tell if they're
15.
old.
She's 15 or
She's really
16.
old. She's... We got her in like either 97 or 98. She's
I don't know
really
a lot
old.
about cats, but I know that you can look at almost any animal's teeth and tell how old they are.
She's really old.
Why does she like to dive her head through my hand so much?
She's like 15.
You should bring Lyriel up to meet these cats.
Lyriel would kill them.